Welcome to our channel. We are excited to dive into Jane Austen's classic novel, Pride and Prejudice. If you are joining us, we highly recommend checking out our previous video, which covered chapters 11 and 12. This video will pick up where we left off and continue our journey through the story. So watch the previous video to get the full context and follow along with us as we explore Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy's captivating tale of love and misunderstandings. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of 19th century England and the social complexities of high society. Let us get started. You are listening to Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Chapter 13 of Pride and Prejudice focuses on Mr. Collins' visit to the Hunsford parsonage, where he stays with his cousin, Charlotte Lucas. Mr. Collins is a clergyman determined to find a wife and has set his sights on Elizabeth Bennet as a potential match. Throughout the chapter, Elizabeth finds Mr. Collins' behavior condescending and intrusive. He frequently offers her unsolicited advice and lectures her on her duty to marry for the sake of her family and her future happiness. Despite her politely discouraging him, Mr. Collins persists in trying to win her over, and Elizabeth becomes increasingly frustrated with his behavior. At the same time, the chapter explores the theme of societal expectations and the pressure women face to marry for financial stability and security. Elizabeth is aware of the expectations placed upon her as a woman, but she is determined to marry for love, not for financial gain. She recognizes that Collins is not the right match for her and is unwilling to compromise her happiness for societal expectations. Overall, Chapter 13 of Pride and Prejudice focuses on Mr. Collins' visit to the Hunsford parsonage and his persistent efforts to win over Elizabeth Bennet as his wife. The chapter explores the themes of societal expectations, the pressure women face to marry for financial stability and security, and the importance of independence and the right to choose one's path in life. Through Elizabeth's interactions with Mr. Collins, the reader begins to see the challenges she faces in maintaining her independence and the importance of staying true to oneself in the face of societal expectations. In Chapter 14, Elizabeth receives a letter from her sister Jane, who is staying in London with their aunt and uncle, the Gardiners. The letter provides a significant update on Jane's relationship with Mr. Bingley, a wealthy bachelor who had previously shown interest in her. According to Jane's letter, Mr. Bingley suddenly left Netherfield Park and returned to London, leaving Jane without any explanation or farewell. Elizabeth is shocked and concerned by this news, as she had hoped that Jane and Mr. Bingley would form a romantic attachment. She shares her worries with Charlotte, who offers her perspective on the situation. However, Charlotte is practical and believes that Jane should only expect a little from Mr. Bingley, as he is a wealthy and desirable bachelor who is likely to have many suitors. The chapter also explores the theme of gossip and the power of rumors to shape public perception and opinion. Elizabeth learns from Charlotte that rumors are circulating about Mr. Darcy, another wealthy bachelor who has recently visited the Hunsford parsonage. According to these rumors, Mr. Darcy is haughty and arrogant, and he has been spreading unfavorable opinions about Elizabeth and her family. Elizabeth is shocked by these rumors and realizes they may have contributed to Mr. Darcy's behavior toward her. As a result, she begins to reevaluate her opinions of Mr. Darcy and sees him in a new light. Through this realization, the chapter highlights the importance of considering multiple perspectives and being open-minded in forming opinions. Overall, Chapter 14 of Pride and Prejudice focuses on the aftermath of Mr. Bingley's sudden departure from Netherfield Park and its impact on Jane and Elizabeth. The chapter also explores the theme of gossip and the power of rumors and highlights the importance of considering multiple perspectives and being open-minded in forming opinions. Through Elizabeth's reactions to the news of Mr. Bingley's departure and the rumors about Mr. Darcy, the reader begins to see the complexity of the relationships and societal dynamics in the novel's world. We hope you enjoyed this summary of chapters 13 and 14 of Pride and Prejudice. There is still so much more to come, with plenty of twists and turns in this timeless classic. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for immediate updates as we take you through each chapter of this beloved novel. Furthermore, if you still need to read the book, do not worry. You can quickly get your hands on a copy by clicking the link in the description below. Get ready to fall in love with the world of Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy all over again, and we cannot wait to see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.